Hi everyone, it's Em. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is decorating the upstairs of this house. So over lockdown I've been living with Jacob and his parents, and Jacob got moved into his sister's old room, so it's pink. I have decided that I want to give it a makeover, so I'll be giving a makeover to Indy's room and this room. I hope you enjoy this video. I don't really know what it's going to be like. Let's just see what happens. So today I started filming a day in my life and I realised that Jacob's room doesn't fit my aesthetic, so I'm going to decorate his room. While he's at work, I am going to plan his room decor, and then tomorrow I'm going to get all the bits and hopefully start painting his room, moving stuff around because I'm fed up of how it looks. So I've chosen this cute green colour for Jacob's room, and I found out that Dulux have a visualizer so you can see what it looks like on the wall. At the moment obviously Jacob's room is pink and I'm planning on doing this wall here green. I can't decide if I like it. I had no idea. Also, while on this hat I found this colour. I kind of love it. Ooh. So we're in B&Q trying to choose plants. We've already chosen a huge tree. Basically I bought a plant and it's huge, but you can't see it, it's stuck. I look disgusting, I've just had a shower, so I apologise. Also ignore this because I'm getting stressed. I found these prints on they're so cute. I'm making my own version. Please excuse the fact I look like a mess and a ghost. Today is painting day 1. So we're gonna paint the other room pink. This room is a mess with all the stuff from the other room in it. We're just giving Indy her morning bath and then we're gonna put her in this tray in the other room just to keep her safe from the paint and all the fumes. Two pinks that we have. We've chosen this one. I forced Jacob to go out and get the dust sheets. He's not happy about it. In the time that he's been outside, I've literally made myself a coffee and it's cooled down. What's he? He's still not got a dust sheet. I can see him from here. Men. No, she's looking at me like, Mum, what are you doing? So I'm just going to say we didn't use either of the paints that I originally chose, the pink or the green. Today we're tackling Jacob's room. I've told him this lovely green colour, and we've also gone for a grey as Jacob's parents just painted that downstairs. We're going to paint this room today, get this room finished, take down the curtains that are pink and flowery. We've got our new bedding that arrived this morning. So yeah, it should be a good productive day in the decorating front. So you know how when we painted the first room, Jacob was outside faffing about. He's now decided to cut his nails as we're trying to sort the room, like prep the room. Why do boys do this? Is it an all boys thing or is it just a Jacob thing? Like faffing about quite a lot. Please let me know. Like, I want that because this is going to go on the dark room wall, and I think it looks so nice with like the gold and the mirror. Water break. Stay hydrated. One down, two to go. So we didn't have a huge budget for the room transformations. We only bought one lot of paint, and that was the green paint. The grey paint and the pink paint were both leftovers from Jacob's parents and his sister's own house projects. I hope you enjoyed this video, and here are the before and afters.